Trust Fund Doctrine. Trust fund doctrine is the rule that the capital stock of a corporation constitutes a trust fund for the benefit of its creditors, as its capital is the basis of its credit, but the trust does not arise until the corporation becomes insolvent, as stated in Corporations Section 583, c. Js. Quoting Manuel V. Wolf, 152 U.S. 505, 1894. It is clear, therefore, that this doctrine has no sufficient sanction and authority, and it will be found equally unsupported by principle or analogy. 152 U.S. 505, 509. The general rule is positively against it, for the books, old and new, uniformly represent the king as a competent grantor in all cases in which an individual may grant, and any person in esse, and not civiliter mortuus, as a competent grantee. Themes covert, infants, aliens, persons attainted of treason or felony, clerks, convicts, and many others, are expressly enumerated as competent grantees. Perkins, Grant, 47, 48, 51, etc., Commis. Dig. Grant, B1. It behooves those, therefore, who would accept aliens, when the immediate object of the king's grant, to maintain the exception. The Congressional Record, June 13, 1967, pages 15,641 to 15,646. A citizen of the United States is a civilly dead entity operating as a co-trustee and co-beneficiary of the PCT, the private constructive, Sestuik Trust of U.S. Incorporated under the 14th Amendment, which upholds the debt of the USA and U.S. Incorporated in Section 4. Point 1. The United States was, and is, bankrupt and in receivership, thus, claimant's claim of corporate insolvency. Point 2. A citizen of the U.S. is civilly dead and cannot become a real party in interest to any action. Point 3. A 14th Amendment citizen is a U.S. citizen. Point 4. Claimant is not a U.S. citizen, nor is claimant a 14th Amendment citizen. Claimant is a grantee and receiver of the sovereignty as a joint tenant in common in the sovereignty and claims interest in all funds and trust accrued from every aspect, category and legal entity in the nature of vested interest from claimant's own, and claimant's lineal ancestries, property and pledges for, and in, the insolvent U.S. corporation, its agents/agencies and subordinate entities.